Hello, welcome to the Up Oxide Auto channel. Stay tuned for exciting updates and insights. The 2026 Tourbillon marks Bugatti's first all-new design since merging with electric sports car manufacturer Rimac in 2021. Replacing the ultra-powerful Chiron in Bugatti's lineup, the Tourbillon comes with an eye-watering price tag of $4.6 million, ensuring that customers receive an extraordinary machine. Its sculpted curves and bespoke V16 engine set it apart, while the addition of 3 electric motors to the already formidable gas-powered unit results in a staggering 1775 horsepower, surpassing any previous Bugatti model. Inside, the Tourbillon prioritizes a rich tactile experience, featuring premium materials such as leather, machined metal, and crystal. Unlike many modern hypercars, it forgoes self-driving technology and screen-heavy entertainment systems in favor of a purist, analog driving experience. Paying homage to Bugatti's earliest engineering marvels, but with unprecedented speed and power. Every aspect of the Bugatti Tourbillon, from its chassis to its roofline, is entirely new for 2026. Bugatti asserts that not a single component has been carried over from its predecessors. The Chiron's turbocharged W16 engine is no more, replaced by a hybrid powertrain that pairs a naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 with 3 electric motors. While the overall body lines retain a recognizable Bugatti essence, every panel has been meticulously redesigned to achieve a lower, more aerodynamic profile. The Tourbillon features wider fenders and a narrower cockpit, enhancing its aggressive stance while maintaining the brand's signature elegance. The 2026 Tourbillon may be classified as a hybrid, but its true centerpiece is the naturally aspirated 8.3-liter V16 engine, developed with assistance from Cosworth. This massive power plant generates an impressive 986 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque on its own. Paired with 3 electric motors, the combined output soars to a staggering 1,775 horsepower. Power is delivered through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum performance and control. While we haven't had the opportunity to drive the Tourbillon just yet, we're eager to experience its capabilities firsthand. The interior of the Tourbillon is a masterpiece of both sculpture and mechanical precision, featuring a fixed hub steering wheel that rotates around the gauges, ensuring an unobstructed view of the instrument cluster at all times. In a collaboration that aligns perfectly with the Tourbillon's horological inspiration, a renowned Swiss watchmaker crafts the gauges, which boast raised numerals and physical needles for a truly analog experience. Luxury and craftsmanship take center stage, with not a single piece of plastic in sight. Even the transparent covers over the gauge cluster and center console are meticulously crafted from machined sapphire glass, further emphasizing the Tourbillon's commitment to exquisite detail and engineering excellence.